Welcome back to the channel, everybody. A friend of mine that gave me some rocks a little while ago told her niece about what I was doing, that I work with rocks and stuff, and she got a hold of me and offered me a bunch of rocks. So these ones I've already seen because I picked them out of the pile, but these I haven't seen yet. So we're going to get these all wet and we're going to have a look at them. I hear there's agate in there and copper and all kinds of fun stuff. So here's one dry. See all that green in there? It also has some, I think, jasper type stuff, some chalcopyrite, and some gold pyrite. More green, could be copper in there. All kinds of cool stuff. It's a very interesting rock. I'd like to know what this band of stuff is dark stuff. So I'm going to get this wet. Oh, that could be just all pyrite. Very nice. Oh, this is amethyst, and I was told this is found locally. So, but she didn't tell me where. That would have been nice. Saved me an 8-hour trip to Thunder Bay. But there is some around here somewhere. That's pretty cool. It's interesting. Not sure what it was or what it is. A little bit of green in there. Could be copper in this one. Feels pretty heavy too. Oh, that's pretty cool. Now these, she said there could be copper in here, and when you cut them open, sometimes there's blue. She's not sure what the blue was. So we will definitely make another video of cutting all these open, because I want to see what's on the inside too. I can make something out of these. That would be one for tumbling, maybe. There's a lot of holes in it though, deep holes. Yeah, might have to cut it. At least get a cab or two out of it. Another piece of possibly copper inside. A little bit here maybe. Nice color green. Piece of basalt. Oh, there we go. A little bit of an agate. This is how we usually find our agates, in basalt. Sometimes you'll find the odd nodule. Nothing like you find in Minnesota where you find the big baseball size, just all agate. I wish. There's another crystal, amethyst. Another one, kind of a seam agate with amethyst and crystals on top. And some green in here too. Wow. Beautiful. Another one with pyrite and possible copper inside. Wouldn't that be nice if that was all gold? More pyrite with possible copper. Oh, I can't wait to cut these open. More crystals. That's really green. Could be a fossil there. That's pretty cool looking. Different for sure. Could be even agate in there. Ooh, wow. More pyrite. And more amethyst seam agate. Don't know what I can do with this. I'll figure something out. There we go. That is an agate. Beautiful. Love it. There could be agate in there also. That's an interesting rock. Wow. It might be kind of agate-like. Could be one of those maybe agates. Oh, some purple right there. Another piece of amethyst. Seam agate, kinda. Some brecciated rocks. Brecciated, however you want to call it. That's a mixture mess of something. Wow, oh, that's cool. Look at that. Huh. Interesting. Oh, that one's different. That's pretty. A lot of these I'll be able to tumble, probably. That one's really cool. Wow. Some more beautiful stuff. Might be copper inside. Some more amethyst. Another piece of amethyst. And really nothing, I don't think. Piece of basalt. And this is the bottom of the barrel. That's a nodule right there for sure. Probably some agate in there. Oh yeah, definitely right there. And another agate. Cool. Oh. Another one. That's beautiful, that one. That's interesting. And here is the second bucket. This is a piece of jasper. Probably cut and make something out of that for sure. A bit of green on top. So apparently she owns a saw. It's kind of like a wet tile saw. Not sure how big, but she did cut this one open. It's got some pink in it. It's very pretty. Make a cab out of that. Right in there, some green and purple, and the orange. That'd be nice. Some more amethyst. Well, no, more of green quartzite with some nodules on top. And quartz. Interesting. Another little piece of jasper. Oh, I could see some marker lines on there. She was working on that. This is from her scrap pile. She does work with this stuff. She showed me some of the cabs that she made, and they're pretty nice. She's using copper for backing, which is really cool. It's just something I haven't gotten into yet. I wish I could. So I can't wait to cut a lot of these open. This is going to be very cool. And it will also be in an upcoming video. That's a nice piece of jasper. Very cool. Oh, there's some agate right there. See that? That's awesome. Oh, some green at the back. Green quartzite. Oh, this could be fun to cut. This one's really big. It's got a whole bunch of stuff in there. Amethyst right there, I believe. Green quartzite. Maybe some agate. Wow. Some epidote maybe. There's some agate right here. Maybe in here. Wow, this is so cool. This one is super green. Wowzers. I thought that was a piece of copper. It's just a leaf. But there definitely could be copper in here. It's quite the green color, for sure. Another brecciated piece. Brecciated, whatever you want to call it. Could be agate right there. Oh, that's going to be a nice cab for sure. And cut that one open. Wow, some orange. Huh. Some more pyrite in there. I'm thinking some kind of metal anyways. That one I should have kept dry. A little bit of green in there. Ooh, green and purple. Beautiful. A lot of peacock colors in there. I think that's why they call it, or is it just what they call chalcopyrite, I believe, instead of just the gold. And last rock is that little guy. So I think we're definitely going to cut a bunch of these open, but you'll have to wait for the next video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I can't wait to cut these open. If you haven't hit that like and subscribe yet, please do. I'd appreciate it. It helps get my videos to be seen more. And we will see you all very soon. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great week. Take care.